So guys, I'm on my way to the office, and again, can't emphasize how beautiful the weather gets when it's winter in Dubai. And well, I live just 10 minutes away from my office, and it's a blessing to just walk off right next to the place where you live. And yeah, I really feel blessed this morning. Definitely some gist of Monday blues are there, but there's always something greater to be grateful for. Well, that's my philosophy in life, and that's what I do believe as well. And yeah, I'm gonna show you again the day in my life today, and we are gonna talk about different topics as well. So stay tuned, guys. So this is Millennium. It's just right next to the place where I live, and the last time that I showed you, that's the place. And you see over here there is this Christmas decoration, so lovely that they have put reindeers. I believe they are waiting for their Santa Claus. So it's really a nice place. Oh, the Santa Claus is greeting me. Hello. So this basically is the hotel. At night this place looks really alive and beautiful, And even this side, I'll show you at night how it looks. It really looks very lively at night, because mostly it's just chain of restaurants over there, and over here it's all villas, and here it's the hotel. Many people who know me, they know me. Back when I was a child, I really used to enjoy gazing at the waters, especially to see some fishes and all that. There are quite a number of fishes over here, mostly tilapias. So I really feel, basically when I'm just starting off, I really was very much conscious, when exactly was I going to start vlogging. Because, I used to see other vloggers, and I used to find that, there is some amount of desire or, inclination towards, starting a vlog. And however, the obstruction was that internally I was very much conscious that, obviously, like whenever you are thinking of something, then you really start to doubt yourself as well. But one thing I feel that I learned a lesson from, taking this initiative and starting my vlog is that one should not be conscious of what other people think. One should always pursue what your inclination, what your heart is inclined to, and well, who knows, that might turn out to be a very good thing for you. This basically is a residential area, and there are offices as well, which are just right next to the residential area. You see this. So guys, today's day, which was Monday, was extremely busy for me. As you can see, it's already night now, and I have to leave. Could not shoot much of the contents today because of the day was such that it was really busy. But anyways, I guess in the place where I live, basically I feel what is very much required is consistency. So this is my second day vlog, I suppose. I think second day of vlogging, right? So the challenge that I've been facing is, well, you lack ideas at times, okay? And I'm a working professional, so I just, directly go for work, and there are a lot of the things that, you don't know what to cover exactly, because the thing that you had covered on the previous vlog is something that, the ideas that you get, right? If the thing is already covered, the idea that you get, right? If it's already covered in the previous vlog, then there's no point in posting as well. Well, I don't know. That is the kind of challenge, the budding creators might face. Well, comment down below what are the challenges that you might face, when vlogging. And if you have any suggestions, you definitely can let me know as well.